Hi everyone, it's Erlene from Erlene Garcia Art. Another jean handbag here to share with you today. This one was made out of a large pair of Lucky jeans, and I turned it into a crossbody bag and decorated it with patches from our armed forces camouflage pants. You could probably put a pin right there. I left this pocket in there. The coin pocket is left on there. Patched it with some other jeans and just let the threads hang because we all like that worn in jean look. Some more Army and Navy and Air Force patches. And let's look at the back. How fun is that? I love it. And on the back here, I took the pocket off and then replaced it. Again, I just wanted to make sure that the pocket was small. I wanted to show the little darkness there from the jean fabric. Left the label on there. And let's look at the strap. Red, white, and blue stars. And I left it raw edged. I doubled the fabric and just left it raw edged. So when you throw this in the washing machine, it's going to shred even nicer. That is so awesome. That'll be up on my Etsy soon. What else do I have here? Oh, this one is for the waistline. And there's long fringe and lots of pockets. This would be great to wear to the park, a craft show. If you're even selling at the craft show, lots of pockets to keep your money, your receipts, your phone, hands-free. And you can tell where I just cut it from the lining, from the waistband. And on the inside is a secret pocket where you can keep your money. And that just buttons on and hangs around your waist. I love wearing mine. When I was at Hobby Lobby, a lady came up to me and asked me where I got it. And I said that I designed it. And the next thing I knew, the next day I was in her office selling her one. Here's another one, another hidden pocket on the inside. This one I took 2 pairs of jeans, as you can tell, because this is really faded. Left the coin pocket there. Took the faded jean pocket off the other one and attached it to the front. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets, including the hidden one on the inside. That came out awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And this is made from the pant leg and an old garter belt. Well, an old garter belt that was not worn. And then some other fabric there, ribbon roses, vintage buttons. And I believe I bought the fabric at Joann's. And this is the back with another garter on there. Some sequin fabric. And then I lined it with pink fabric, sewed a little bit of Velcro so you could keep it closed. And I made this one into a crossbody bag. This one is a single long strap. I didn't line the strap. I just left it raw edged, sewed along the edges. So again, when it frays in the wash, it's going to be even more awesome. And what is this other one? Oh, this was the other part of the garter belt. And it has beads on it. And this was part of a pink crochet dress, I believe. Who knows if they were worn together? I don't know. I will never tell. Cupcake fabric. Bright, happy fabric. This must have been the pant leg to the other jeans. And the fringe goes all the way around. And I did a little bit of embroidery thread there. And I just really like the way that came out. This one is lined with some leftover fabric that I had, some raw silk. And then that just closes like that. Again, this one is a crossbody bag. And these will be up on my Etsy. And wow, I just love that. You can wear that day or night. Go out and have a good time. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.